Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to edit code in Replit in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on replit.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are inside, you just have to hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of projects. Here you will be shown all of the projects that you have created previously. So you just have to select that particular project in which you want to edit the code. Now, when you are inside the code section, you are going to see its interface, something like this. So over here, you are going to see the text, but beneath the text, you will also see this type of icon. So you just have to click on it and then select the option of create time tracker expo effect. Now, as soon as you do this, you are going to see the code relating to this particular section. So now you can just simply start editing this particular code over here. You can also add your text here in this particular section and ask Replit in order to basically make changes into the code. So that's how you can edit the code. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.